Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through some essential maintenance and troubleshooting tips for your Case 580E backhoe loader. We'll cover everything from changing hydraulic fluid to fixing hydraulic system problems. So let's dive right in. First up, how do you change the hydraulic fluid? Start by parking your backhoe on a level surface and lower all attachments to the ground. Locate the hydraulic tank, remove the cap, and then drain the fluid by opening the drain plug. Once it's empty, replace the drain plug, refill the tank with the manufacturer-recommended hydraulic fluid, and you're good to go. Next, oil changes. It's crucial to change the oil every 250 hours of operation. Begin by warming up the engine, then turn it off and drain the oil from the oil pan. Replace the oil filter and refill the engine with fresh oil, checking the dipstick to ensure the level is correct. On to troubleshooting common issues. If your Case 580E backhoe won't start, check the battery connections first. Make sure they are clean and tight. Also, inspect the fuel filter and replace it if it's clogged. Sometimes, it might be as simple as a blown fuse or a faulty ignition switch. Got hydraulic system problems? Check for leaks in hoses and fittings. Inspect the fluid level and top it off if needed. If the problem persists, the hydraulic pump might need attention. When it comes to parts replacement, you can find genuine replacement parts through authorized Case dealers or online retailers specializing in heavy equipment parts. Replacing the brakes? First, lift the backhoe and secure it on jack stands. Remove the wheel and access the brake assembly. Swap out the old brake pads for new ones and reassemble. Let's talk specs and compatibility. The torque specification for the Case 580E engine is 170 to 190 pounds. Compatible attachments include buckets, hammers, and augers. Always refer to the operator's manual to ensure compatibility. Electrical issues can be tricky. Start by checking the battery and alternator. Look for corroded or loose connections. A wiring diagram for the Case 580E can be found in the service manual, which is invaluable for tracing and fixing electrical problems. And there you have it, folks. With these maintenance tips and troubleshooting tricks, your Case 580E backhoe loader will be running smoothly in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching.